8th standard science. So the protozoa. So the protozoan means Latin word. Proto means first. Zoon means animal. It means the first formed animal is called a protozoan. The first formed animal is called a protozoan. This is a single cell. So mostly the plant body, the animal bodies are made up of only one cell. So it is called a single cell. Eukaryotic. U means they have here true. U means true. Karyo means nucleus. A true nucleus are present. It means a well-developed nucleus are present. It is called a eukaryotic. Then, a branch of biology is deals with the protozoan, or the study of the protozoan is called a protozoology. So it is called the protozoology. It means a study of protozoan is called a protozoology. Next, they mostly found in or occurs in ponds and then a moist soil. Always they occur in the moist places. Then the plant body, the animal bodies are made up of cellular organization or tissue level organization. Cellular organization or tissue level organization. The cell or the tissue to causes the disease. So causes the disease. So both the plant and animal. So plant and animal. So the cell, they causes the disease, both the plant as well as the animal. Then some of the cell organelles are used for the different function. Here, so they are having a cell organelles. So used for movement. It means they have a locomotion. Second one, so it is also used for the feeding, to capture the food material. And also they have a other function. Here the cycle, the protozoan contain different organelles. Some of the organs are used for the movement. It is called locomotion. Some of the organs are used for to feeding the food particle. So it is called a feeding. It's the type of protozoan. Protozoan. First one is called a ciliated protozoan. It means, so the animal body, they contain the numerous hair-like structure. It is called a cilia. Here they having a cilia are used for the locomotion. So they having a locomotion. Cilia, a small hair-like structures are present. So the cilia are used for the locomotion. So they having an example. Paramecium. Second one is called flagellate. So flagella means, so the animal body, they contain a whip-like structure. So they have in a flagella. So used for the locomotory organ. Flagella means, so the animal is contain one or two a whip-like structure. It is used for the locomotory organ. Example, Euglena. Example, so Euglena. So third one is called Pseudopodia. Pseudopodia means a plasma membrane they produce near a finger-like projection. It is called a pseudopodia. So the pseudopodias are used for the locomotory organ. Pseudopodia means the cytoplasmic membrane they produce in a finger-like projection. It is called a pseudopodia. The pseudopodias are used for the locomotory organ. So it is called a pseudopodia. Example, amoeba. Example they have in here. So amoeba. So the plant body, the animal bodies are irregular in shape. So next one is called sporozoan. Sporozoan. It means the parasite. So what does it mean the parasite? The animal they obtain the food material from other living organism. It is called a parasite. A living organism, a microorganism, they obtain the food material from other living organism. It is called a parasite. Here they have in a parasite, they produce a spore. So it is called a sporozoan. At the time of reproduction, so the animal, so they produce a spore. It is called a sporozoan. Example, Plasmodium. Parasite. Example, Plasmodium. It is a unicellular. First one is called a unicellular organism. It is made up of only one cell, so it is called a unicellular, microscopic. See under only the microscope. So next one. So they mostly found in pond. So mostly found in the ponds. So next one, it is irregular in shape. There is no definite structure. So it's a cell structure in amoeba. So the unicellular microscopic organism mostly found in the pond. So there are many ponds. Then irregular in shape. Then cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus are present. Cytoplasm and so nucleus are present. Here they have a pseudopodia. Pseudopodia, it means the cytoplasmic membrane. So they produce in a irregular shape structure. It is called a false sheet. It is used to capture the prey, to absorb the food particle. So this pseudopodia they always around the food particle. So they have an engulfing. So they surround the food particle. Then, so body flow around the particles engulfing. So the contractile vacuole. So they used for the excretion. Excretion. So remove the unwanted material. It is called excretion. So the contractile vacuoles are used for the excretion. So the reproduction occur by means of the two type of reproduction. One is called fission, binary fission, and they are having a sporulation, the formation of spore. So the reproduction by means of binary fission or multiple fission, that is called the fission method. Another one is called a sporulation, a formation of spore. So these are the structure of the amoeba. So thank you very much.